Okay, welcome back. This is part 2. So I have just mixed the batter, and as you can see, they can't really see that well, but see how it's like this? Yes, that's the texture you want, and you want it to have no lumps at all. Make sure you get all of it. And then with normal batter, you can't just taste it like that. No, because it has raw egg, and that is definitely not healthy for you. But with this one, since it has no egg and no butter, you can very well eat it. And if you don't like how it tastes, like if it's too what's it, too plain, I guess, then you can just add more vanilla or any flavor that you want. Now if you're going to add more vanilla, a little bit goes a long way. So if you're going to add more vanilla, then just 2 little drops would do just fine. And if you want to add any other flavor, then you can. Like if you want to make it chocolate batter, that's really good. Or you can make it banana, or anything. I think today I will make it. Oh, another thing you can do is you can put, I know a lot of people like this idea, you can put some Nutella in it, mix it in, just a little bit though, just a little bit. Put some Nutella, or you can put some peanut butter or some hot cocoa mix, just that, or just a little bit. But today I'm going to use some chocolate chips, okay, so hold it. Another thing you could do is put some coconut, or you could put some, what's this? It's not a chip. Or you can put, some tamarindo. Put that. Yeah, that would taste really nice. Well, I'm not going to put the chocolate chip because apparently I don't have any. I'll put in some Nutella. Good old Nutella. Okay, mine. So what you're going to do, you're going to get 1 spoon. And since it's already the texture of the batter, you don't really need to add water or anything to it, or oil. You don't really need to add that. What the hey? It's Nutella. It tastes delicious. Okay. Okay. So now we have Nutella in here. I'm just gonna mix it in. Now since Nutella is brown, obviously, you're gonna mix it all up until all of it turns nice Nutella-y brown color, or like a light beige, preferably brown, because when it's a dark brown, it's perfectly mixed. Okay. Alright. Get in there, we're good in there. It gets a little bit hard to mix. Good. So it should be. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna taste it. Delicious. Okay. So now what we're gonna do you're gonna get a mold. You can either get like one like this, so that has like a little wreath thing, or you can use a heart. It's like all cute. Okay, so you're just gonna fill the mold with batter. These are really small molds because I'm making a very little bit amount of batter, but you know, you can use regular size molds. If your family like makes like treats for the family members, like for Christmas and for Thanksgiving and all that stuff, then this is definitely a good idea for a gift. It's really cute. So yep. Now if you're gonna use the wreath mold, you know how there's that little thing sticking out in the center? Well, when you fill your mold, do not go any higher than that little thing, because then it will just be a regular cake. You know, it won't be a wreath. But if you do, here's a little idea. You can fill that hole that it has now with some centering. You know, it's really neat. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do that since I have a lot of batter. Let's just layer that on top. Okay, now this one's going to be rising a lot. Okay, so go. There you go. Okay. Now if you have a lot of batter left over, that's fine. You could just eat it or save it for another cake. Okay. Man, this is taking a long time. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you can get either your dish to cook stuff in. I'm gonna put my heart in there. Or you can get a paper towel, put it over the mold, and put it in the microwave. Now, when you're microwaving it, you have to put it in for 1 to 2 minutes, preferably 2 minutes. Okay, so since we only have 2 minutes left in this video, I'm gonna stop it, and we're gonna have to make a part 3. So watch part 3 if you really want to know how to make this cake. Part 3 is just gonna be how to make frosting and results of the cake. Okay, thanks for watching. Watch part 3 now.